Hey friends, if you wish to fix the snip and sketch tool not working in Windows, then please watch this video. Now the snip and sketch tool is basically called the sniping tool in Windows, and here's how you can access it. Just search for it in the Windows search bar and it will appear. Now in the right pane, expand this and click on app settings. It has a lot of options, so we'll select the right one. Now scroll down and click on terminate, then click on repair for this tool and let it repair itself. Wait till you get the tick mark here. If it doesn't help, then reset it. Wait till you get the tick mark here. If this doesn't help either, then simply uninstall it and then click on uninstall once again. Okay, search for store in the Windows search bar and go to Microsoft Store. Search for sniping tool here and then go to sniping tool, and then you can reinstall it from here, and this will surely work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.